future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm here with IDN Hair, Ida Financial, and y'all know when they in the building, oh, we about to have a good time. So let's just get right into today's video. So I'm installing their new 2-in-1 twisted curly wig. This is a glueless 13x6 3D real thin HD lace. Do y'all see that lace? That is what I'm here for, okay? The construction is 3 combs in total, a pair of drawstrings, and it does come with an extra elastic band to place inside the unit to make it glueless. Look at this hairline. Do y'all see that? It comes pre-plucked. It comes with the knots already bleached. And look at the parting space. Do y'all see how far back we can go on this unit? I'm just excited, so we're gonna get into it. Y'all see those curls? Like I said, it comes with an elastic band, so you can install it to make it glueless. So we go ahead and pop that in, and we gonna go ahead and put her on her head, and it fits so good, y'all. I'm obsessed with this new construction of the wig, okay? The hairline is top tier. This is just everything, okay? We just doing a little bit of wig prep. I'm just gonna add some wax to the hairline, and as you guys can see, y'all, this hairline is fire. Like I said, I did nothing to it, and I just love when companies take out the time to do all that work, because who wants to pluck it? Who wants to be bleaching the knots? Who wants to be just doing all that stuff? I know I don't. I just love wigs that you just literally throw on and go out the door. So I'm just going in and just, you know, prepping it, doing a little hot combing. It's not needed, but you know, if you want to. Going in to cut off the lace that I don't need. You don't need all that lace, girls, so get the trimming, okay? Y'all just gonna watch how this disappears. This lace is the bomb. Look how this is melting, y'all. I'm obsessed with their new construction of this wig. It's more so a 3-dimensional fit. That way, sis, we ain't got to worry about this wig flying off our head. They also gave us a full side parting. Y'all know we've been needing full side parts for a long time, and I'm gonna go in and actually give y'all like a full, I'm gonna actually turn this into a deep side part, so you're gonna be able to see me go into this unit and, you know, create any type of part that you would like. So this is what the lace looks like when you're done installing it without any lace tint or lace product. It does look a little bit lifted near the ear tabs, but look, when I pull on it, since it ain't going nowhere, it ain't gonna come off, it's not gonna slide back or nothing, okay? So yeah, you literally could just take your clips out, fix up the curls, and literally walk out the door, and since you're done, okay? Done. So since I'm going in to do a side part today, I wanted to just do one thin layer of some lace spray to secure it just down. Like I said, your wig ain't going nowhere anyway, but y'all know me, I just a little bit extra, okay? We are done, and I wanted to try this new lace melting spray out. I didn't realize that it was kind of mimicking like lace spray, so I put it on the front of the hair, so it kind of gave this like a extra security, which I did not need. I figured that out once I put the melting band on. I was like, this feels, because it's like a liquid like the EVEN spray, so I didn't realize that it was probably just that. So I let this on, y'all, and she looked good. Y'all see how well she melted? Y'all cannot tell me this is not growing right up from my scalp, my roots. That's my hair, y'all. I'm really obsessed with this unit, y'all, because the hairline, it's the hairline for me, okay? It's the curls for me. It's everything. So I'm doing the deep part like I told y'all I would. I'm going to go ahead and separate some of the curls because, you know, I don't want to get tangled or anything like that. But look how far you can go back onto this unit doing the side part. You couldn't do that with no other wig. What other wig you know you can dig that far back? Like create a deep side part, okay? It's a lot of part and space on this wig, and I'm just obsessed, okay? Because, yeah, y'all see what I'm seeing? So I'm just going in to do a little bit of baby hairs. Like I said, baby hairs are optional. You don't have to do it at all. It's not needed or necessary. If you don't like baby hairs, you can wear it in its original state without doing so. And baby, you're going to look fire either way. So I just love to show you guys how versatile this unit is. You can do what you want with this unit, okay? So I'm just going to go in and, you know, hot comb this section. I just wanted a little oomph. Since I'm doing a deep side part, I want that just a little volume up there. So I'm just going to push everything back. And I'm just going to go in to refresh the curls with a little bit of water right here. Because like I said, I did have to pull some of them apart because I went in to do the deep side part. But y'all, look how flawless these curls are. And like I said, right here in this clip here, I'm just using water. Okay, I wanted to see how the hair would look with some curls being, you know, not two strand, and then some just, you know, two strand. So it still blended in very well for me to not, you know, had pulled a lot of curls out. You couldn't really tell. Do be mindful though, the density of your curls will look different depending on how you wear the hair. If you wear it in the two strand, the original way it comes is gonna look thinner. If you fluff it out, it's gonna look that thicker. So I did decide to put it back in the middle part so you guys can see. I did comb out the hair as well so you guys can see like the texture of the curls and how it looks different from the original state of the curls. And like I said, I also wanted to see if you could put the two strand twist back in. So I just took some mousse and I took some water and I just started, you know, twisting it around my finger to see if I could get it to blend back in with the original curls. And I think I did just that. It's not as neat and nice as theirs originally though, but it is possible, you know, that you could just twist it yourself and put those type of curls back in the unit. So y'all, it is a win in my book, okay? I'm obsessed. So this is pretty much wrapping up this video. This is pretty much all I did to this video. I mean, to this hair in particular. Mind you, I did not wash the conditioner. I didn't pluck. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't tint the lace. I didn't do anything. I literally installed it as it came. So yeah, as far as tangling, I did have a little bit of tangling here when I tried to dry detangle the hair, like to pull the curls apart. So always be mindful to wet your curls before you try to detangle the hair, because if not, you're gonna have tangling. So that was just an issue on my end that I did by myself, but make sure your hair is wet before trying to detangle. This is how the unit turns out. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't have any problems with it shedding on me. Like I said, I didn't fully go into detangle the unit. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, all information will be listed down in the description section below. Your girl will see you later. Bye guys.